Hello everyone, this is my final course project for CS50P, the Introduction to Python course of Harvard University. My name is Chris Emejuru. The name of the application is StockReader. What it does is to load daily records of stock prices and transactions from a website and store them in an SQL database. I can then query the database on screen and save any records I've won in a CSV file to be used in another application. First, a quick rundown of the main application window. Over here is the URL of the website where the transactions get loaded from. Over here is where I specify the dates that should be loaded, and here is where I put in criteria for querying the SQL database. Down here is for showing the list of transactions. When the application starts, the last 50 transactions get displayed, as you can see here. If you want to see more, you do a search. So let me search for all transactions for September 26. Now notice how I abbreviate the date and it gets expanded. If I put just the day, the current month and year will be filled in. I click on search and this is the result: 117 transactions. Okay, now let me load transactions for September 27. No transactions were found for September 27. Okay, let me try September 28. 117 transactions loaded for September 28. Now, if I want to save this list in a CSV file, I simply click on Export List. It gives me a default date for the CSV file. I can change it if I want, or I can accept it and click on Save. So here it tells me export was successful.